Hello friends. If you are learning Python and working with list, there is something really important you need to know. The difference between shallow copy and deep copy, especially when you are dealing with the nested list. Today, I'm going to explain this in a super simple way, step by step, with a real code and easy examples. Even if you are a complete beginner, don't worry. So let's start with the basic example. So here I have nested list called original, which has two lists inside it. Now, when I do copy underscore list is equal to original, it looks like I have made a copy, right? But here is the twist. I have only copied the reference. That means both the original and copy underscore list are pointing to the same object memory. So let me prove it with the ID function. The ID function in Python tells us the memory address of an object. If both the lists have the same ID, they are actually the same object. You will see the same number printed for both, meaning we didn't really make a new list. We just made another name for the same list. Let's go one step deeper and check the IDs of inner list too. Still the same. So now let's try changing something in copy underscore list and see what happens. Both the lists show the same change. That's because they are still pointing to the same nested list inside. So how do we fix this? The answer is use deep copy from the copy module. Let me show you. Now we have used copy.deepcopy, which means it will create a new copy of the list and new copies of everything inside it, including the nested list. So let's check their IDs now. Now you will see the different IDs for both the outer list and the inner list. So that's a true separate copy. Let's try changing something in deep copied. This time, only the deep copy changes. The original stays safe and untouched. So here is the quick summary. If you just use assignment operator, you are only copying the reference, not the data. If you want a full independent copy, especially for nested list, use copy.deepcopy. Always check with the ID. If you are not sure whether you copied something or just created another reference. So hope that made things super clear. If you have ever been confused by a list copying in Python, you are definitely not alone. It tripped me up to when I was starting out. If this helped you, give the video a thumbs up, share it with your coding buddies, and subscribe for more beginner friendly Python videos. So let me know in the comments if you would like me to cover other confusing topics in Python, and I will be happy to break them down for you. So see you in the next one.